If you're looking to withdraw cash from your Chime account without a physical card, you might be disappointed to learn that Chime currently doesn't support cardless ATM withdrawals. Unlike some banks that use NFC, QR codes, or mobile apps for contactless ATM access, Chime requires a physical debit card for ATM transactions. However, you can still access your funds through other methods. First, check the Chime app's ATM Finder to locate one of over 60,000 fee-free ATMs at places like Walgreens, CVS, or 7-Eleven, but you'll need your Chime Visa debit card and PIN. Another option is an over-the-counter withdrawal at a bank or credit union. Present your Chime debit card to withdraw up to $5.15 daily, though a $2.50 fee applies. You can also get cash back at participating retailers like Walmart or Dollar General when making a purchase with your Chime card, with limits varying by store, e.g., up to 100 at grocery stores. Alternatively, transfer funds to a linked external bank account via ACH takes 3 to 5 days, or to a friend's Chime account for them to withdraw. For future convenience, keep your card handy or add it to a digital wallet like Apple Pay for in-store cashback options. How will you access your cash?